Modern sofa design has evolved significantly, blending aesthetics with functionality to create pieces that are not only stylish but also comfortable and practical. Here are some contemporary ideas and trends to consider when selecting or designing a modern sofa for your living space. Minimalist aesthetics. Modern sofas often embrace minimalist design, featuring clean lines and simple shapes. This style focuses on functionality without unnecessary embellishments. Materials. Look for sofas made from high-quality fabrics like linen or leather, paired with metal or wooden frames to maintain a sleek look. Modular sofas. Modular sofas allow for customization and flexibility. These pieces can be rearranged to fit different spaces and needs, making them ideal for open-concept living areas. Versatility. Choose sectional pieces that can be easily added or removed, allowing you to adapt your seating arrangement based on gatherings or day-to-day use. Bold colors and patterns. While neutral tones are popular in modern design, bold colors and patterns are making a comeback. Consider vibrant hues like mustard yellow, deep blue, or emerald green to make a statement. Accent pieces. Pairing a bold sofa with complementary cushions or throws can create a cohesive, stylish look. Sustainable materials. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, many designers are focusing on sustainable materials. Look for sofas made from recycled fabrics, eco-friendly woods, or organic materials. Design impact. These choices not only reduce environmental impact but also often result in unique textures and finishes that enhance the overall aesthetic. Curved sofas. Curved sofas are gaining popularity for their organic shapes that create a more inviting atmosphere. These designs can soften the look of a room and encourage conversation. Placement. Use them in larger spaces to create intimate seating areas or as a statement. Textural variety. Mixing textures can add depth and interest to modern sofa designs. Consider combining materials like velvet with leather or linen with knitted fabrics. Layering. Use cushions and throws in different textures to create a cozy, inviting look while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Floating sofas. Floating sofas, which do not rest against a wall, are becoming more popular in open spaces. This design choice enhances flow and accessibility within a room. Visual appeal. They can be positioned in a way that encourages conversation and interaction, making the living area feel more dynamic. Smart sofas. Smart furniture is on the rise, with sofas that can adjust firmness, heat, or even massage functions. These features blend comfort with modern technology. User experience. Consider sofas with integrated controls for a high-tech living experience. Statement legs and bases. The legs and base of a sofa can significantly impact its overall design. Look for unique leg designs, such as tapered, metallic, or wooden styles, that can act as a visual anchor for the piece. Height variation. Sofas with varying leg heights can create a more dynamic and visually appealing space. Lounge sofas. Lounge sofas often feature lower profiles and deep seating, inviting relaxation. These designs are perfect for creating a cozy, laid-back atmosphere. Cushioning. Opt for plush cushions and supportive backrests to maximize comfort. Multifunctional designs. Modern sofas that double as beds or include storage options are gaining traction, particularly in smaller living spaces. These designs maximize utility without sacrificing style. Sofas with pull-out beds or hidden compartments for blankets and pillows can be invaluable in compact homes. Artistic elements. Description. Some modern sofas incorporate artistic features, such as asymmetrical shapes or bold cutouts. These pieces can serve a Scandinavian influence. Scandinavian design emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and natural materials. Look for sofas with light wood frames, neutral upholstery, and minimalist lines. Comfort and coziness. Incorporate soft textiles like wool throw blankets and cushions to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Vintage modern fusion. Combining vintage elements with modern design can create a unique aesthetic. Choose sofas with retro shapes or colors while incorporating contemporary materials. Eclectic style. This fusion allows for creative expression and can result in striking contrasts that elevate your space. Bold patterns and prints. In addition to solid colors, consider sofas upholstered in bold patterns, such as geometric shapes, florals, or abstract designs. These can serve as focal points in neutral rooms. Cohesive decor. Pair patterned sofas with matching or complementary throw pillows and artwork to create a cohesive look. High-back sofas. High-back sofas offer additional support and can create a sense of privacy, making them perfect for intimate settings. Their commanding presence adds elegance to any room. Styling tips. Use them in larger spaces to define seating areas and enhance the overall style. Outdoor-inspired sofas. Sofas designed for outdoor use are increasingly being adapted for indoor settings. Look for weather-resistant materials and designs that mimic outdoor furniture. Causal vibe. These sofas bring a relaxed, casual feel to the interior, perfect for modern, laid-back living spaces. Sofa beds with style. Modern sofa beds are designed with aesthetics in mind, featuring sleek lines and stylish upholstery that don't compromise on design. Guest solutions. These multifunctional pieces are ideal for small apartments, providing comfortable seating by day and a cozy bed by night.